This guide demonstrates how to use the AI chatbot to get help with the Blaze VMS. First, select the help icon. Open the chat or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl/. Select Blaze, then enter your question. For example, how do I export video? The chatbot returns step-by-step instructions within seconds. In addition, there will be a link provided to the relevant help page in the user manual. When finished, close the chat box or click End Chat. Access the Settings menu for further customization. You can change the language or email a transcript. Simply enter an email address to receive a full transcript of the chat. Additional options include opening the chat in a new window, copying the URL, and starting the session over by clicking on the reset icon.